Hello everyone. In this video, we will be discussing a harmonic analysis for a cantilever beam. So the aim of the experimenters conduct harmonic force response by applying a cyclic load at the end of the beam, and the frequency will be varies from 0 to 100 Hz. Given Young's modulus 200 gigapascal, Poisson ratio 0.27 and density 7800 kg per meter square. We'll see how to solve this problem in ANSYS. So go to preference, structural, OK, preprocessor, element type, add, edit, delete, add, select the beam as the element, close this, then go to real constant, add, edit, delete, add, enter the area value and moment of inertia value, and total beam height 0.01. Give OK, then close this. Go to material properties, material models, structural, linear, elastic, isotropic. The Young's modulus value, it is 200 e power 9 and Poisson's ratio value 0.27. OK. And the density value 7800. Now go to the modeling, create key points in active coordinate system. For the node 1 it is 0 and 0, apply, and for the key point 2 the total length of the beam is 1 meter, select that. Then go to the lines, go to click set straight line, pick key point 1, key point 2, then close this. Then we need to do the meshing, size control, manual size, global size, 10 element divisions, give OK, then go to mesh, pick line, click this, and we can able to see the meshing. Now we can do the loadings. Before that, in the analysis type, select new analysis, select harmonic, give OK, and analysis options we got in this, let it be full and real plus imaginary, give OK, and program chosen method, give OK. Now go to the load step option. In this time frequency and substeps, where in the problem it is given as 0 to 100 and the number of substeps let it be 100 and let it be stepped 1. Give OK. Now we can go to the defined loads, apply structural displacement on key point, select this one, apply all DOF, OK. And similarly we have a load, for that force moment on key point, select this one, apply, it is Fy direction, the magnitude of 100. Now we'll see how to solve this problem. Solution, solve, current load step, give OK. Yes, solution is done. So to view the result, go to time history post processor. In this, go to the defined variables, add, select OK, pick the key point 2 where we need to define the load in UI direction, give OK. So once it is defined, we can close this. Now go to the list variables. The first list variable is frequency and the second variable is UI, give OK. We can able to see the amplitudes at different points. Now let me see in the graph. So let me define the axis as frequency and UI. We can able to see this. So this is the harmonic analysis response which is recorded for the given cantilever beam condition when a 100 Newton cyclic load is applied. If you are changing the load, again the harmonic amplitude will be different. So if you get any doubt related to this particular experiment, post your doubts in the comment sections. Thank you.